Safely enjoying uncured ham, your go-to guide.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about a delicacy many of us enjoy, uncured ham. Now, while this can be an excellent ingredient for a variety of dishes, it's important to understand the precautions one should take before consuming uncured ham without cooking it. In this video, we will highlight key safety measures and best practices to ensure your culinary experience is both enjoyable and safe.
What is uncured ham?
Before we dive into precautions, let's first understand what we mean by uncured ham. Unlike traditional ham, which is preserved through a curing process involving nitrates or nitrites, uncured ham is not treated with these preservatives. Instead, it's typically preserved using a natural form of nitrate found in celery juice or sea salt. But don't be mistaken, despite the term uncured, this type of ham is still cured, just in a way that uses natural ingredients. It's important to note that this doesn't necessarily make it safer to eat without cooking.
What precautions should you take?
Now, onto the important part, the precautions. If you're planning to consume uncured ham without cooking it, here's what you need to do. 1. Check the packaging. Always check if the ham is meant to be consumed without cooking. Certain products like prosciutto or some types of Serrano ham are safe to eat without cooking. These products will be labeled as ready to eat. 2. Keep it cold. Make sure the ham is stored at the right temperature before consumption. Cold storage slows down bacterial growth, making it safer to eat. Your ham should always be stored in the refrigerator, ideally at a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, or below. 3. Eat it fresh. Don't keep the ham for too long before eating. Uncured ham, like any other meat product, can harbor bacteria over time, even if it's refrigerated. As a rule of thumb, consume the ham within a week of purchasing. 4. Mind the smell and color. Always check the ham for any signs of spoilage, such as a foul smell or change in color before consumption.
What if you're still not sure?
If you're still unsure whether your uncured ham is safe to consume without cooking, here's a simple solution: cook it. Cooking the ham at a temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, can kill most harmful bacteria, ensuring the ham is safe to consume. In conclusion, enjoying uncured ham can be a wonderful culinary experience if done safely. By following the precautions outlined in this video, you can savor this delicacy with peace of mind. Always remember, when in doubt, it's safer to cook the ham. Here's to your safe and delicious dining experience. Bon appétit!